Vehicles here are inspected every 2 years. One component of an inspection, you can't have these little speed holes hooking people when they walk by. So sticker is due on this truck, so my plan today is just to make this look a little better. So I have some patches made up. I used a piece of a roof skin off of another old truck. So they're quick and dirty, but that's all I need done. So here's what I did. So I have the outer skin. On a metal shrinker die, I made some L's, curved it, need some patchwork in here, so this is the filler panel, tack weld it in, I'll heat it, roll it in and weld it up here. Initial tack welds. In the land of good enough, that's good enough. I'll clean it up a little, put some body fill on it, paint it with a rattle can. Skim coat number 1. So I gotta sand it off. Really rough job, but again, my goal today is just to get the holes fixed in this wheel arch, just so the truck looked a little better. Does it look better? A little bit better. At least there's no hole. But if you saw the rest of the truck, it's an old work truck. I haul scrap with it. It's pretty much my wheelbarrow on wheels. Cheap Walmart spray can. There, I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Not as horrible looking out in the daylight. Again, it is what it is. Just a quick repair.